Monday and I'm thinking about vlogging this week. So let's see how this is gonna go. I'm going to fill out my planner right now, which I don't even know what to do. I was just looking at my final exams and what do I do today? I don't know. I have all this stuff printed ready to go. So I've only done ethics and half of family law this morning, which isn't the best, but it's okay because I still have basically the rest of the day to do work because I'm not going outside. Look at outside. It's so gross. My driveway and yard has puddles, so that's not fun. There's supposed to be a really high wind warning today, like with gusts of 70 miles an hour, so I don't think I'm going outside for my walk today, but that's okay.
Alright.
Afternoon lattes.
So again, there's the focus on
Hey guys, good morning. It is Tuesday and I have class in 2 minutes. So let's get online and let's start our day. I'm determined to have a good day today. I just got cold called for the last case class. That was fun. I did fine, but I always hate cold calls. It's actually really like stimulating now. I'm like, oh my god, I'm awake. Done with evidence. Now we're gonna move on to family law.
As you might have learned last week, has to be
Good morning, it's Wednesday and today I am going to be very productive today. Switching mirrors here, I haven't really been a good vlogger and I think that has to change. I have just been doing some work on my computer, which is why I have my blue light glasses on, but I think we'll get rid of these things. I just dusted my room. I think we'll go actually donate these things today. Yeah, refresh my coffee, get some water, maybe we'll paint my nails today. They need a little refresh. Dante wants me to hang out with him today. Fun fact to see how charged your AirPods are, go to the side, scroll down to batteries, and it tells you right there. I'm gonna read ethics really quick. I cut myself when I made avocado toast this morning. So I just wanted to do a quick voiceover here of what I am doing. I'm just making my final exam binders and I have a video, which is going to be the next video posted on how I study for my final exams, but basically I was just making my final exam binders during class, which I would recommend definitely not doing. It's about time of the day, guys. Do you know how hard it is to open a drink with your left hand? Have a t-shirt, leggings, threw my hair up, gonna go work out. Dante and I are doing a competition on our watch. You know, I don't know if you guys have Apple Watches, but you can compete with people. So my boyfriend and I decided to do it this week because we're just like getting bored doing these same exercises. So this might make us push harder. So gonna go do a HIIT workout and then probably walk on the treadmill to try to get as many points as possible for today. Alright guys, I have no idea if you can see me, but holy cow, that HIIT workout was so hard. I'm so sweaty. I need to eat dinner, I need to shower, and then I think I'm gonna make banana bread, but I'm so out of breath and I just needed to cool down on the treadmill because I'm like, I don't know, I'm sweating through this. It was good though. I highly recommend. I'm gonna make Dante do it with me next time. I'm gonna put some of these as well as this stuff from Costco. This stuff is so good. I think, yep. I was like, I think we have banana chips too. Let's throw those on there. I don't know if you guys have ever had the Costco acai bowls, but this looks amazing. But as I was saying, the Costco bowls have banana chips in them, and it's so good. Guys, I'm gonna make some banana bread. Alexa, give me a banana bread recipe.
Okay, for banana bread, here's a few recipes.
So I just preheated the oven, and now I got most of my ingredients. What am I missing? Egg, an egg, an egg, an egg. Haha! I am using margarine because my brother's allergic to milk, so I'm gonna do that so he can have it, and I think I'm ready to go. We're gonna use maple syrup. I read that that was a good substitute. Ooh, put a lot in by accident. That's all right. Flour. Half a cup. All right, guys. There's my finished product. I have people hovering, waiting to cut it. Hey, official taste test. That's the hard side because it's the edge of the bread. Well, can you rate it out of 10?
With my mom's being a 10.
It's not your mom's, I can tell you that right now.
With my mom's being a 10. 7.5.
There's room for improvement there. I like it. I like it.